Hi guys, Carl here from Carl and Jan Out and About. Okay, where are we today? Well, today we are in... Okay, so look forward to seeing you in a moment. Bye for now. Hi guys, there we are again, Carl and Jan Out and About. So this is part 3 of our Hanover tour, and today we are in the Altstadt, or the old city of Hanover. Beautiful place, very historical, and if you'd like to know more, follow me. So guys, here we are in the Hanover Altstadt, to be exact. I am standing in front of the old Zeughaus, or in English, the old arsenal or armory. And if you'd like to look across there, if Jan follows me, there you can see one of the old towers. Okay, and these are all parts of the old city walls. Okay, so if you'd like to know more, follow me and we'll go and have a look at the Altstadt. We are at the moment on the Ballhofplatz. Yeah, it's like I say, a very part of the old city of Hanover, and here you have basically everything. You have boutiques, you have shops, you have bars, you have restaurants. You can't see it at the moment, but it even has a small theatre. Yeah, this is just a small part of the Altstadt of Hanover, and like I say, yeah, let's continue our tour and see what else we can find. See you in a moment. Again, they even have a goldsmith, Goldschmieder, in English, goldsmiths. Yeah, come with me. Yeah, this is interesting. Yeah, this is the Museumsstübchen, which is in English, the little museum. And this is a really small bar. Okay, I've been in there for a beer, wonderful place. Maybe 20 people, no more, max. It's full. Hi guys, okay, let's take a walk down the Kramerstraße and take a look at some of the shops, bars, restaurants, boutiques and old wood frame houses. Follow me. There are bakeries. There are bars, the Schatteka. There are small boutiques. There are hairdressers. And they also have bookshops. And as you can hear, a clock tower with a bell in the background. Hi guys, so here, this is the Marktkirche. So we're on the old marketplace in the Altstadt of Hanover. As you can hear, the bells are tolling. AC/DC music, come on! My man Martin Luther. So guys, yeah, here we are, Marktplatz, or the marketplace in the Altstadt of Hanover. To my right you can see the old church, or the Marktkirche, which is the Church of St. George. For anybody and everybody that is interested, sorry, it is the Church of St. George and James. I do apologise. And commonly known as the Marktkirche, or the church at the marketplace. To my left is the old town hall, which is now the registry office for all those of you who would like to marry. Another interesting point is the brickwork. It is an example of the so-called German brick Gothic architectural style, or in German sounds great, Norddeutscher Backsteingotik. Okay guys, as I totally wrongly said before, this is not the registry office. You can marry here, but the registry office is over near the Opera House. Okay, this is the old City Hall, and as I said, it is now a restaurant and you can marry here. Jan also married here, didn't you, Jan? Yes. And if you'd like to follow me, something very important, look, here. An Irish bar, which means after you get married, okay, you can go in there, have a Guinness, watch football, which is a great idea on your wedding day. Not. They also have modern art. What is it? I think it's a cow. Oh solo mio. Hey look guys, Opera House. Go to the opera. Let's go to the Kropke. This is where everybody goes. This is where everybody goes to meet up, drink coffees. You'll see what we mean in a minute. Hi guys, well, here we are in the centre of Hanover. We're at the Kropke Square. This is basically where you can get to anywhere and everywhere. From here you can go down to the Altstadt, where we were before. Here, as you can see, we have the shopping precinct. Yeah, loads of shops, loads of different fashion stores, whatever you like. And if you'd like to follow me around here, if you look down here, this is the Bahnhofstrasse. That's the road that runs down to the old, runs down to the old train station. No, runs down to the train station, the main train station of Hanover. And here, to my left, very important, is the Kropke Uhr, Kropke clock. This is basically where, no, it's not basically where everybody meets up. This is where everybody meets up. So if you have a date, this is where you meet. And then you have, to my left, the Kropke Cafe. Yeah, so take care guys. Jan, what are you doing? Come on, coffee time. Come on.